blood group, if B, B blood group, if AB, AB blood group, no antigen, it is a O blood group. So on this, it is clear that according to the antigens, the blood group is denoted. Let us see the genotypes of these blood groups. Genotypes of these blood groups. A, B and O, or AB, AB, AB and O blood group. So the blood group A is due to the gene I raised to A. Blood group A is due to the gene I raised to A because that controls the synthesis of antigen A. I refers to isohemoagglutinogen, antigen A. Prefix I. The blood genotypes A blood group is, that is the blood group A is due to the gene I raised to A that controls the synthesis of antigen A. Blood group B is due to the gene I raised to B that controls the synthesis of antigen B. Blood group AB is due to the blood group that controls synthesis of B. Blood group O is having, not AB, O is having third allele, that is I raised to O, that is without any antigen, no antigen. And blood group AB is codominant, which is represented by I raised to A, I raised to B with both antigens A and B. With both antigens A and B. So according to that, A blood group has two genotypes which are represented by I raised to A, I raised to A and I raised to A, I raised to O. It means A is dominant over O. B also is having two genotypes, I raised to B, I raised to B, or I raised to B, I raised to O. B is also dominant over O. O is always recessive, represented as I raised to O, I raised to O. O is always recessive, I raised to O, I raised to O. And AB is codominant, which is represented as I raised to A, I raised to B. So these are the two genotypes. Antigens in case of A blood group A, B blood group B, no antigens in O, both antigens in AB. And in A blood group, the antibodies, either it is represented as anti-A or B, small letter B. In B blood group, it is small letter A. In AB blood group, no antibodies. In O blood group, both A and B antibodies are present. So this is the list or the chart that gives you gene, its antigen, blood group, genotypes, antigens and antibodies. Antibodies, antigen contains, RBC contains antigen, and blood plasma or the blood serum contains antibodies. So in these four types of blood groups, again there are two blood groups. One is O, another one is AB. O is called universal donor, AB is called universal recipient's blood group. Why? O is universal donor and why AB is universal recipient. O is referred as universal donor because it doesn't have any antigen. O blood group does not contain antigens in its RBC. So RBC are not clumped by the serum of any other blood groups. RBC are not clumped by the serum of any other blood groups. So O can be donated to all the blood groups, that is either A, either B or AB or O. It can be donated. But the person with O blood group can take O blood only. O ಇದ್ದದ್ದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ರೀ, ಆದರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ O ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. AB is called universal recipient. As we know, AB is without antibodies, no antibodies in it. So AB is called universal recipient because it doesn't have any antibodies in its serum. So the serum does not cause clumping of RBC of any other blood group. The serum will not cause the clumping of RBC of any other blood groups. So AB person can receive the blood from all the blood groups, that is from AB recipient, but he can give the blood to AB group persons only. I think you will understand the topic up to this one. In the next class, we're going to discuss about inheritance of ABO blood group, then rhesus factor, and then ABO system of blood typing or blood grouping. Thank you.